Terry Smith come on up and tell us about Herbert Hoover and the evils of socialism to warm up the crowd before we get to Pedro.
Thank you, George, Devin. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Herbert Hoover, and I am running for president in this election year of 1928. Just a few thoughts I would like to share with you today. I intend to discuss some of those more fundamental principles upon which I believe our government should be conducted. During 150 years, we have built up a form of self-government and a social system which is peculiarly our own. It differs essentially from all others in the world. It is the American system. It is founded on the conception that only through ordered liberty, freedom, and equal opportunity to the individual will his initiative and enterprise spur on the march of progress. And in our insistence on equality of opportunity, has our system advanced beyond the whole world. During the Great World War, with the United States entering in 1917, we necessarily turned to the government for the preservation of the nation. The government took over the business of citizens. We regimented our whole people temporarily into a socialistic state. However justified in wartime, if continued in peacetime, it would destroy not only our American system, but with it, our progress and freedom as well. When the war closed, we were challenged with a choice between the American system of rugged individualism and a European philosophy of diametrically opposed doctrines of paternalism and state socialism. Resolutely turning our face away from these war practices, we Republicans went at once back to the fundamental conception of the rights and responsibility of the individual. We thereby restored the government to a position of umpire instead of a player in the economic game. The effect that an interference of government would have upon our system of self-government would reach to the daily life of every man and woman. Every step of bureaucratizing the business of our country poisons the very roots of political equality, free speech, free assembly, free press, and equality of opportunity. It is not the road to more liberty, but to less liberty. An expansion of the government's role in the business world would cramp and cripple the mental and spiritual energies of our people. It would extinguish equality and opportunity. It would dry up the spirit of liberty and progress. I have witnessed, not only at home, but abroad, the many failures of government and business. I have seen its tyrannies, its injustices, its destructions of self-government. I have witnessed the lack of advance, the lowered standards of living, the depressed spirits of people working under such a system. And what has been the result of our American system? Our country has become the land of opportunity to those born without inheritance. Russia has natural resources equal to ours. Her people are as industrious as ours, but she has not had the blessings of 150 years of our form of government. By adhering to our principles, our America has come nearer to the abolition of poverty, nearer to the abolition of fear of want than humanity has ever reached before. The departure from our American system will jeopardize the very liberty and freedom of our people. It will destroy equality of opportunity, not only to ourselves, but to our children and to our grandchildren. My name is Herbert Hoover. I ask you for your vote. Thank you very much.